Elegance is not about being loud. It is about being remembered. Introducing this timeless pearl necklace set, a perfect blend of classic beauty and modern sophistication. Designed for women who appreciate grace, charm, and refined style, this exquisite jewelry set speaks luxury in every detail. The necklace features double strands of luminous white pearls, carefully selected for their smooth texture and radiant glow. Each pearl reflects purity, elegance, and everlasting beauty, making this piece a true symbol of timeless fashion. Pearls have always represented class, and this design brings that tradition into the modern world. At the center of the necklace lies a beautifully crafted silver tone pendant. Its intricate bow-inspired design adds a soft, feminine touch, while the delicate detailing enhances its luxurious appeal. The pendant is finished with a graceful teardrop-shaped pearl that gently sways with every movement, creating a look that is both elegant and eye-catching. Paired perfectly with the necklace are matching drop earrings that complete the set with flawless harmony. The earrings mirror the same elegant bow design, finished with pearl drops that add a touch of sophistication. Lightweight and comfortable, they are designed for all-day wear while still making a powerful style statement. This pearl jewelry set is perfect for weddings, formal events, evening parties, and special celebrations. Whether you are a bride, a bridesmaid, or a guest, this set enhances your outfit with a touch of classic luxury. It also pairs beautifully with traditional attire, evening gowns, and even modern fusion looks. What makes this jewelry truly special is its versatility. Wear it to elevate your festive outfits, or style it with elegant evening wear for a refined and polished appearance. The soft white pearls and silver detailing complement all skin tones and add a graceful glow to your overall look. This necklace set is not just an accessory. It is an expression of confidence, elegance, and timeless beauty. It is designed for women who believe that true style never fades in simplicity. It is the ultimate sophistication. Looking for a meaningful gift? This pearl jewelry set makes a perfect present for weddings, anniversaries, birthdays, or special milestones. It is a thoughtful gift that symbolizes love, purity, and everlasting elegance. Every detail of this set reflects fine craftsmanship and attention to quality. From the smooth pearl finish to the delicate metal work, this design is created to leave a lasting impression. It is jewelry that you will cherish for years to come. So, if you are searching for a piece that combines tradition with modern elegance, this pearl necklace set is the perfect choice. Let your style speak softly yet powerfully. Let your beauty shine with timeless pearls. If you love this elegant jewelry set, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stunning designs.
you like my video, please subscribe my channel